Hi, I'm Zayford Beeblebrox, and I'm the British Tech Guru. Today, I'm doing something quite interesting. I got the Pi Pico to work as a captive web server, using the library called Pew, P-H-E-W. Anyway, that's something I tried in November, and I just gave up because I wasn't getting anywhere. I just came back to it yesterday and got it working within a few minutes. Anyway, I'm trying to get the Pico to do something interesting. I want to return, I've got a camera that I've never tried on the Pico, and I want to send the image from the camera to a web page. Now I've got the web page. Now there's a lot I'm trying to learn and trying to understand. And I'm definitely outside my comfort zone, but that's fine. Everybody should go outside their comfort zone. So what I'm looking at 3 different pieces of code. This is from MicroPython Pew, and this bit is where the web page is produced, and it's produced from a file. Well, I don't want to do it from a file, even though it's pretty good from a file. Looking at another piece of code, this one is from explainingcomputers.com, and they've defined their web page as part of the code, which is kind of interesting. So I looked at that, and that is the way I want to go. This is also from explainingcomputers.com, and they have also done it there in the code. There we go, in the code. As I said, that is the way I want to go. As I said, I did get the web server working, and there it is. And the plan is to get the camera to record an image, transmit that image over the web page, so that I can have the Pico W somewhere transmitting on its own little web domain with its captive web portal, and any phone in the area able to log into that domain and just see the image. I will of course then want to add some extras. I'll want to put that camera on a little robot or little electric buggy, and have buttons on the web page, which of course this piece of code from Explaining Computers has something called Zumo Robot Control, which is kind of interesting. And he's got the robot controlled, but he's not got a camera with it. I want to put the camera so I get an actual visual feedback, kind of first-person view. And it'll be Wi-Fi, of course, so very limited range, but that's what I want to do right now. The other thing I will have to do is to find out some way of locking down the MAC address of the phone that is actually going to be controlling that robot. That is going to be another challenge. But my first challenge is to get the image that I want to send bundled in with the web page. I suppose I could always cheat and just have a continually refreshing file that's picking up the picture, but I'd much rather do it directly. That's where I am this Sunday, and we'll have to see where I get from there. I know you all want to see positive progress, and you all want to see things that are completed. Let's see, the MicroPython flash camera flash unit. The bits have arrived. I just kind of lost interest in it. The solar tracker, I still can't find the bits that I put together for it. I'm gonna have to have a sort out. I built shelves in between, so God knows where it's all gone right now. That's where I'm at right now. So I'll talk to you again when I have more news.